What if you could create a completely monetized YouTube channel from scratch? I'm talking original music, custom animations, all without a studio, a camera, or even a mic. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today we're going to break down exactly how to do it. We're building a kids' music video channel using some seriously powerful and super accessible AI tools. Let's dive in.
So why kids' music videos? Why this niche? Well, honestly, the money is absolutely insane. It's a total goldmine. We're talking about channels pulling in staggering amounts of cash. Just look at Choo Choo TV. They're one of the giants in kids' content. Their estimated monthly income is over $1 million. Yeah, you heard that right. $1 million every single month.
Okay, that number it's just mind-blowing, right? And it probably makes you ask two things. First, how in the world is that even possible? And second, the big one, could I do something like that? Well, the answer to that second question is a huge, resounding yes. And that's exactly what we're going to unpack right now.
All right, here's the plan. We're going to break this down into 5 simple parts. First up, we'll talk about this AI gold rush and why now is the time to jump in. Then we get hands-on. We'll build the channel, compose an original song, create all the visuals, and then the grand finale, we'll put it all together.
Okay, let's kick things off with part 1, the AI gold rush. This is all about understanding the massive opportunity here, and I'll introduce you to the awesome AI toolkit you're going to need.
And look, Choo Choo TV isn't some crazy one-off. Check out this other channel, Lala Fun. All they do is nursery rhymes, and they're bringing in an estimated, get this, $790,000 a month. The appetite for this kind of content is just enormous. And here's the kicker. AI is what finally lets regular creators, people like you and me, actually get in on the action.
So, how are you going to do it? Well, you can forget about hiring a huge team. Instead, think of these AI tools as your own personal creative crew. You've got DeepSeek AI as your idea guy. Suno AI is your music composer. Rendar and Dwyzine are your graphic designers and artists. Veo 3.1 is your animator. And CapCut, that's your video editor. It's literally a full production studio right on your computer.
All right, on to part 2, building your channel, because every great video needs a great looking home. We're starting from the ground up, creating a professional foundation from scratch.
And we're going to do this in 4 super simple steps. First, we create the channel and come up with a name. Second, we design a slick logo and banner. Third, we write a good SEO description. And finally, we'll add the right keyword tags so, people can actually find your videos.
And here's the AI magic that makes it all so easy. You're going to start with DeepSeek AI. Just put it in deep thinking mode and it'll spit out tons of ideas for your channel name, logo, banner, everything. Then you hop over to Render AI. For the logo, you'll want to use the FluxDev model. Set it to a 1:1 ratio and boom, a Pro 3D logo. For the banner, that's Zine AI. Pick the Nano Banana model and set the ratio to 16:9. See? It's a simple step-by-step process.
All right, part 3, composing your AI song. Our channel is built, it's looking good. Now for the really fun stuff. Let's make some music. We're going to take a simple idea and turn it into a totally original, super catchy nursery rhyme.
And you guessed it, we can break this down into just 2 easy steps. Step 1, we head back to our brainstormer, DeepSeek AI, to come up with a song idea and get the lyrics written. Step 2, once we've got those lyrics, we just hand them over to Suno AI and it'll compose a complete song for us.
So what's the secret sauce? How do you tell the AI what you want? It's actually way simpler than you think. The most important part is the style prompt you give it. You literally just type in children's nursery rhymes. Playful, fun, and sing-along. That's it. You paste your lyrics, add that little description, and Suno does the rest. It'll even give you 2 different versions to choose from, with vocals, music, the whole 9 yards.
Okay, we've got our song. Now it's time for part 4. Crafting visuals from text. A song needs a music video, right? We need to build the world for our song to exist in. So we're going to generate all the scenes, and then even better, we're going to animate them.
This whole visual process has 3 main parts. First, we go back to DeepSeek AI to write out detailed text prompts for every scene we need. Think of it like a shot list. Second, we take those text prompts over to Design AI to create the actual images. And third, we use another cool tool inside Design AI to bring those still images to life as animated video clips.
And let's get specific on the settings. For the images themselves, stick with Design AI's Nano Banana model and make sure it's set to a 16:9 ratio. Then, to animate them, you'll switch over to the image to video feature. This part is powered by the amazing Veo 3.1 model. Just make sure you keep that 16:9 ratio so it's perfect for YouTube.
The best part is you don't need to be some kind of animation expert. You just upload the image you made and give it a super simple command. Something like, the train runs along the track happily. That's it. Veo 3.1 understands what you mean and creates a beautiful, smooth animation from it. Then you just rinse and repeat for every single scene you need.
And that brings us to the final step, Part 5, bringing it all to life. This is where the magic happens. We've got our song, we've got our animated clips. Now we just need to put it all together into a polished, finished video. And we're going to do it with a great free tool called CapCut. Honestly, using CapCut is a breeze. You just import all your little video clips, drag them onto the timeline, put them in order, then you drag your song file onto the audio track underneath, and here's a pro tip. Use the auto caption feature. It'll listen to the song and generate the lyrics for you automatically. Just tweak the font and colors to make it look cute, and you're ready to hit export.
And that's it. You're done. I mean, take a second and think about what you've just created. A complete, totally original nursery rhyme video. It has custom music, custom lyrics, custom visuals, and custom animation. And you did it all from scratch, with nothing but a few clever AI tools and your own ideas. No studio, no fancy equipment, no big team, just you.
So, here's the bottom line. The old barriers to creating amazing content, they're just disappearing. These AI tools are getting better and easier to use every single day. They give you the paintbrush, they give you the orchestra, they give you the animation studio. Everything you need is right there. So the only real question left is, what story are you going to tell?